How to add music longer than 15 seconds in Instagram story. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Instagram now allows its users to add music story longer than 15 seconds. So firstly, make sure your Instagram application is updated to its latest version. Now, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Further, swipe towards the right on your screen and you will be led to the interface from where you can add story. So go ahead and take a snap or simply tap on the album icon you see there in order to add a picture for your story. Further, tap on the music icon you see there on top and then scroll through and tap on the music that you want. Or you can also tap on the search bar there and search for the music that you want to add to your Instagram story. Tap on the arrow icon you see there in order to add the music, and now in the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and select how the music appears on your screen, and further tap on the duration option you see there. So go ahead and select the seconds and the duration that you want your music to appear from. You can select from 5 seconds to 45 seconds. So choose your preferred option and then tap on done and then go ahead and adjust the part of the song that you want. Finally, tap on done on top right of your screen, and with this, the music will be added. So this is how you can add music longer than 15 seconds in Instagram story. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.